Going live on YouTube is a very fantastic and effective way of growing your watch hour, most especially when you're looking to monetize your YouTube channel. But the thing here is, doing it the wrong way or going live the wrong way can actually affect your channel, both in the short run and in the long run. So if you're looking to go live on YouTube or you have intentions of doing that, either because you want to grow your fan base or you want to engage with your audience, but most especially maybe because you want to get your 4,000 watch hours, watch this video to the very end to avoid the mistake someone made, to avoid stories that might touch later.
And hey my loves, what's up? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. And on this channel, I share with you how to grow a YouTube channel, how to make money online, and how to turn your passion into income. If you're new here, do subscribe to the channel. If you're a returning subscriber, you know I love you. Do say subscribed. Okay, like this video I saw of a girl that I don't want to mention the channel name, but in a hurry to get a particular amount of subscribers she needed to complete her 4K watch hour, she went to go live on BB Niger. She did a live stream and used BB Niger content, and luckily for her, she got the 400. In fact, she needed only 300, but she was able to accumulate even 400, more than she even needed. That part, she was happy. She got what she wanted to monetize. But something happened. Just few days after she got that 400 watch hours, YouTube gave her a copyright strike. And that copyright strike came from that particular live stream she did. Now you see, they had to take down the particular video. After taking down that particular video, YouTube even had to remove the watch hour the video gave her. So this is just like starting all over again. And apart from that, she was leaving the strike and Shadowbanned. Because right now, if you search for her channel name on YouTube, you won't find it on YouTube. The only way you can find her channel is through her link, if you already have a link somewhere. Or maybe if you already subscribe to the channel, you can now go to your subscriptions, and that is how you're going to see the girl's channel. It's very bad. And at the end of the day, YouTube strike even lasts more than 1 month, 90 days. So even if she's able to retrieve the 400 watch hours she lost to meet the 4K watch hours she needs, she still will not be able to monetize that channel until after 90 days. So stay away from people's content. Don't post. If you must put those things, just especially these reaction channels, leave videos alone. Just focus on pictures, images. They will help your life better on.
In my subsequent videos, I'll share with you guys the do's and don'ts of going live on YouTube, things you must do and the things you must not do on YouTube live to avoid getting copyright strikes and to avoid getting demonetized just in case you eventually get monetized. So subscribe to this channel, turn on the post notifications, go nowhere.